Hello and welcome to our video series on learning German for beginners. In this A1 level series, we have a total of 54 lessons, including some additional lessons to help you cover the syllabus, grammar, vocabulary, and more. Today, we will begin by covering the German alphabet and its pronunciation. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And give our videos a thumbs up if you find them helpful for learning German. So let's start the lesson number 1.
Lektion 1.
The German alphabet contains 26 letters, just like the English alphabet. However, there are a few additional characters that are not found in English. Let's go through each letter and its pronunciation.
A.
Once again.
A. B.
Once again.
B. C.
Once again.
C. D.
Once again.
D. E.
Once again.
E. F.
Once again.
F. G.
Once again.
G. H.
Once again.
H. E.
Once again.
E. J.
Once again.
J. K.
Once again.
K. L.
Once again.
L. M.
Once again.
M. N.
Once again.
N. O.
Once again.
O. P.
Once again.
P. Q.
Once again.
Q. R.
Once again.
R. S.
Once again.
S. T.
Once again.
T. U.
Once again.
U. V.
Once again.
V. V.
Once again.
V. X.
Once again.
X. Y.
Once again.
Y. Z.
Once again.
Z.
Meet the next video series to learn German and cover up a greeting lesson. Thank you for watching.
Vielen Dank fürs Zuschauen.